it's Happymailqueen. Happy Saturday to everybody. I thought I'd go ahead and share a little project that I just created this morning, and while I have everything out, I decided to go ahead and just shoot this video. A couple of days ago, I think it was a couple of days ago, I saw Sabrina Ann create these cute little rosettes, and then I had to try them. And she actually did a tutorial, so I'll make sure that I put her link in the description box below. But I think they're the cutest things ever. So here they are. They are little cute jack-o'-lanterns made out of rosettes. Are they not adorable? And she used a different dye for hers. I just used what was, what I had in my stash. And another reason why I decided to go ahead and make one of these was because when she showed it, I immediately thought of my dye that I have not used. And this is, sorry guys, my son is very noisy. This is a designer dye by Echo Park, and it's called Jolly Jack-o'-lantern, as you can see there, and the faces are so super cute. And I wanted to get the Tim Holtz dyes that people were hauling at Hobby Lobby, but I had this set, and that's why I couldn't justify getting the other one. But I think these are super cute, and I just hadn't used them. So anyway, the dye itself looks like this. So you get 3 different faces, as you can see there, and then you get the little stems. And so I had to go ahead and try it out, and they came out so cute. And I do agree with Sabrina that it's kind of hard to cover up the little nose part right there because it's so tiny. And you do have just a little hole right there, and sometimes it's a little hard to cover up, so as you can see there. Anyway, you just basically make a rosette, and then put a little circle punch on the back. But aren't they cute? They came out so cute. So I had to try these after I saw her video. And she said she was inspired, or I think she was trying to replicate an embellishment that she saw, which were, I think, very similar to this one. And I can't remember what embellishment that was from what company. But anyway, they came out really cute. And this is probably my favorite face right here, although Genevieve likes this one because it's a happy face. And then I decided to create another 3 sets because I kind of wanted it to look more like the dye that I used to look more like this, because I wanted to use the stems. And so I kind of tweaked it and decided to just shape them. So this one I didn't shape, but I actually just made it smaller so that the face would, I don't know, I guess it looked more appropriate for this size, just like it looked on the die. It's a smaller one. So, and I wanted to put the stem, so I did. So there's that one. And then this one I had to shape, and I basically just took my scissors and just started cutting the sides. And because this is a 1/4 inch height or thickness rosette, it wasn't too hard to just trim it. And so you just keep trimming it, just like a pom-pom. When you're trying to shape a pom-pom, you just keep trimming and trimming until you get the right shape. And so I just wanted to make different shapes, and so there's that one. And then there's this one right here, which has the same face as this one, but as you can see, look, I think it looks cuter with the small rosette. And then this face actually should have been here, but I don't know, I kind of made a mistake. But I'll just kind of show you how how I shaped it, how I shaped this one. I basically just started cutting from the bottom just to make it more oval shaped. See that? And then I would turn it over, and like I said, it's just like when you make a pom-pom, you just kind of keep cutting and cutting until you get the right shape you want. This one's probably the easiest one to create because this one, you know, you don't have to cut as much. Yeah, so you know, you can just make it any shape you want actually. And I just keep cutting and cutting, and see, it's really easy. And I just used what, 65-pound cardstock. So and you see how easy that is, you guys? It's that easy to create these. And then you just you know, you just put your little stem on top. And look, my nose is crooked. I think I need to re-glue that because it's the hot glue didn't quite keep it down. But anyway, yeah. And you know, and if you don't like this part right here, you can just trim that. So I think I'm just gonna create more of these because, like I said, I just I like the little stems on top, and you know, I just used glitter paper. And I think I'm gonna create more, but maybe even use glitter paper on you know, the black part there to create the faces. I think I'll just go ahead and do that. So anyway, that is my share for today. I hope you guys like it, but like I said, I will leave the link of Sabrina Ann's tutorial down below in case there's some of you who, you know, may have questions on how to create these rosettes, and just use what's in your stash, you guys. And I would definitely invest on, you know, some kind of a jack-o'-lantern, if you like Halloween, that is, jack-o'-lantern die. And this one's a good one because there's 3 sets there. So totally worth it. And I got this at the expo, you guys, but I'm sure you can find it online. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.